Hey everybody, welcome Good News Church to the beginning of the 210 Project online assessment. If you are following along in the book, this video will help you get started on the online tool. It'll help you register as well as kind of show you the basics on how the tool works. So, my name is Owen. I'm one of the pastors here on staff, and so if you've got any questions about what we're about to go over, the first thing you can do is talk to your live group leader. And after that, you can talk to your campus pastor, or you can email me, Director of Live Groups, at o.smiley@goodnewschurch.org. So let's get started. The first thing you'll do is you will go to the 210project.com website. Once you're here, if you've never registered before, you're going to click on Start the Project. This red piece is going to come down. You want to hit Start the Project. That will take you to the registration page. You'll need to enter a little bit of information. It's actually pretty straightforward, pretty easy. The part that I want to draw attention to is right over here where it says access code. So when you bought the paper copy of the book, there was a card inside, and that card had an access code. This is where you stick that. Or if you bought the ebook version, that's where you got an email with that access code, and so you would use that right here. So once you're done, you hit sign up, and you're in. Now I'm already signed up, so I'm going to log in. So you can go to 210.com and then just hit the login in the corner at any time, and that's how you can log in. So there's my username and my password, and log in. Okay, now while it's loading, this top gray bar here is called the is just going to be there the whole time. You can click on this, it'll always take you back to dashboard. Dashboard is this web page right here. It's kind of like where you get started to work on the assessment. So scrolling down here, this section right here, this is the online assessment tool associated with the 210 project. You'll notice there are 3 sections. Each section has a few parts. Each of these parts has a few parts. Now, if you just wanted to learn how to register, you are now registered. You're ready to go. You can turn the video off. But if you want to know a little bit more, that's what the next part of this video is for. So, if you want to get started, you can click this button. Mine says continue. If you've never started, your button will probably say start. And then right here, the green dots are the ones that are finished. Completed those sections. Red dots are not yet complete. Things that you've completed, you can go, there's a little pencil next to it. The pencil piece means that you can edit some of that. So let's say I answered some of these questions and later on I changed my mind, I wanted to go back and fix them. And so I can click here, scroll down, click on that, and it'll take me back to that section. I can redo it if I want to. Now here's the key. The foundational questions, there's 1 section to it. Exploring natural God-given strengths, there are 5 sections to that. So they are not equal length, and they don't take equal amounts of time. And so I would recommend as you go through it, following along with the instructions and recommendations in the bulletins at church that say, this week work on this part of the online assessment. And the idea there is that we've gone ahead and we've spaced out this assessment for you so that nobody gets stuck doing a whole lot of stuff in one day. And so, for example, spiritual gifts, just 2 parts. Life passion exercise, there's 4 parts. So there's different lengths for different pieces here. I know, for example, the first week on this assessment, week 2 of the 210 project, the idea is to work on both section 1 foundational questions as well as exploring natural God-given strengths. So those are the 2 things to be working on if you're just getting started. So you'll work your way through this. Anytime you want to go to the last place that you were at, you can go to click continue. It'll bring you right back to where you left off. You can do partway through. It'll save your progress, and you can always resume from there. And anytime you're working through it and you're like, hey, I've got some questions, I need to go back, I need to get out of this, you can always hit dashboard to take you to the beginning. Or you can click right here to log out. That's it. That's how the online tool works for the 210 project. Glad you guys are a part of it, and I'm excited to see what God will do with this in all of our lives. Have a great day.